Good evening everyone. How are you all today? I hope all is in good health, out of danger, and no problem. Although problem is part of our life journey. So cold. The aircon is very cold. I feel so cold. Although I'm gonna wear the thick bathrobe even if I already have pajama because I'm feeling so cold. Anyway, I miss you all guys. Very long time I did not do this because I've been busy lately, and every time I finish my work I'm tired already. I don't have time to make video because I prepared to rest early. See, I'm already sleepy. I'm busy also because instead of if I have free time, I'm writing my story. I want to put it in the book. But the problem is, the publishing and the editor too expensive. If I need to publish, very expensive. I need to pay big amount of money before I can publish, and I need to pay the editor before publish my story and put it in the book. I hope someday I can able to put it in the book. I already in chapter 3. I'm done with chapter 1, chapter 2. Anyway guys, I just want to ask how are you all today, and I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. I hope everybody is always healthy, out of danger, and have a long life and happy life. Enjoy our life while still alive. Life is short. Don't waste your time with loneliness. We need to enjoy our life while still alive, so that when we cannot, when we grow old and cannot do too much because of our body is weak, we don't have regret. We enjoy our life, and we have happy memories that we can remember when we feel lonely, alone, and very sad. The happy moment we experience, that's the thing we can make us happy. In Tagalog pa ay mapagkukunan ng kasiyahan para sumaya yung mga masasayang araw na pagdaanan. Anyway guys, have a good night sleep everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. I love you all and I miss you all.